High-quality Lightroom presets can help you get the absolute best out of your images in just a few clicks. Discover the top 10 best Lightroom presets of 2021 in this quick roundup. The items in this selection will help you boost your portraits, add special effects, create luscious black and white photos, and much more. And you can download all of these wonderful presets from Envato Elements. You'll get thousands of premium Lightroom presets and other creative digital resources, all for one low cost. You can find all the links in the description below. If you're a portrait photographer, you should absolutely add this collection of Lightroom presets for portraits to your toolkit. The Essential Beauty Portrait Collection includes 14 unique effects that add color and depth to your portraits, giving them the impact they deserve. Bring the retro look to your portraits with the Retrochrome Lightroom Presets, a collection of 7 different color toning schemes to make your images stand out. And best of all, this set comes with 10 variations to account for different shooting conditions and camera settings. Let's move on to some landscape photography now. If you want your travel photos to shine, you can't go wrong with this set of 100 Lightroom landscape presets. The presets are easy to use, just one click and it's done. Like the other presets featured here, this one uses a completely non-destructive workflow, so you can easily go back to your original image anytime you want. Any outdoor photographer knows how hard it can be to capture that perfect lighting situation. Fortunately, with 20 presets built into the Sunny Landscape Lightroom presets, you no longer have to rely on Mother Nature for those ideal lighting situations. You'll get presets specifically built for bright daylight, sunrise, and twilight. Transform your pictures into black and white works of art with the Lightroom Black and White Presets Bundle. It includes 12 non-destructive presets for Lightroom and 12 camera raw presets for Photoshop. One of the great things about black and white photography is the wonderful contrast in tones that you can achieve. Blacktone black and white Lightroom presets will help you reduce distractions and shift your subject to the forefront in every portrait. Are you nostalgic for the days of old film? Then use these Lightroom presets to give your photos that classic film look in just a few clicks. This massive bundle includes 100 desktop presets, 100 mobile presets, 100 Adobe Camera Raw presets, and finally, 100 Universal LUT presets. Clients will always want a certain look and feel from their wedding photographs. But what if the conditions on the big day just don't cooperate? And what if you have thousands of photos to process on a tight deadline? Simply use this collection of 50 versatile presets to create the magical photos that the happy newlyweds expect. Fashion and editorial photography is all about impact. Your images have to leap off the pages of a glossy magazine or website. So if you're a fashion photographer, you need the best fashion Lightroom presets to give your images that wow factor. This Adobe Lightroom preset pack does just that, with 15 non-destructive Lightroom presets and 15 amazing camera raw presets. HDR, short for High Dynamic Range, creates a spectacular image from a composite of different exposures. You can use this pack of 10 HDR presets to create everything from subtle tweaks to surreal works of art. You're sure to find the exact right preset to convert any ordinary image into something truly memorable. And I hope you enjoyed this roundup of the top 10 best Lightroom presets of 2021. Which one grabbed your attention? Because you can find all of the Lightroom presets in this video over on Envato Elements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for more roundups and training videos on photography, image editing, and much more.